Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Edifier TWS 2 with your iPhone device. So in order to do this, first make sure that your Bluetooth is enabled, and next is to open the case, take both of the earbuds out and hold the left one. Now they could appear here already, but if not, you might need to press and hold this multifunctional button until this LED lamp flashes like this with a blue and red. Now let's click on it. And here they are connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.